Okay, turning it on for the first time. Don't see or hear anything. Hey YouTube, it's been a while since I uploaded a video. I don't have a car video, but I have this new toy I got. It's a 3D printer, as you could see. I'm just gonna do a quick video of my experience, and it's not gonna be a review. I'm a noob at this, and it is challenging getting it to print and set up, and so hope you like it. Okay, so I got this from Amazon. It's about 400 bucks, and I did a lot of research, and there isn't really a perfect 3D printer, so you just gotta figure out what you want and how much you want to spend and all that. But overall, I'm happy with this, and there's quite a few features that I do like, and I just like the overall form factor where everything's is built in, and the wiring is clean and has a large build volume, and the price. So some of the issues I had and challenge is that it arrived broken. The power supply wires was the power supply itself wasn't even mounted, and the wires connected to the AC in was disconnected probably during shipping. I just took it apart and fixed it myself instead of hassling with disassembly and shipping it back under warranty. And then once I did that, I went through the assembly and adjusted the bolts and tension to make sure everything was level and smooth. And then the tricky part is leveling the bed. The bed has to be it's to the thickness of a paper that you level the corners. It does have a semi-manual assist, which helps. And once everything is set up, and then it prints much better. As you could see, these are some of the ones I printed, including some of the tests, like that 3D printer test you see in the center. So some of the prints, as you can see, the baby Yoda came out pretty good. The has a lot of detail, which actually exceeded my expectation. And then was able to print this hexagon base using rainbow type filament that has different colors, as you could see. And then with these octopus, that what's cool is that it prints with these articulating tentacles, and this lizard prints just like this, which is pretty amazing. And also this cat, again, it prints in one print without having to assemble it, and it moves and articulates. You start by picking out the 3D image you want to print, and it's what's called STL file, and you can get a lot of free images or STL file from sites such as Thingiverse, as you see here. And after you select it, you import it to a slicer program that converts the STL file to G code. G code is what the printer that needs to print, tells the printer how to print it. So and I use a software called Cura. It's also a free software, and there are a lot of different settings. For the most part, once you find the right setting, you could just leave it. And there are more advanced options as well. So, and then you just click on slice, and it converts it to, like I mentioned, to a G code, and you save it to, in my case, I save it to a USB thumb drive.
You can also on a lot of printers save it to a SD card. So once you do that, I just move the thumb drive to the printer and select it and print it. So it's pretty simple once that's done.
Okay, you guys know the drill. Please like and subscribe and comment below. Hope to have more car stuff for you soon. Thanks. Bye.